Top 5 Best Stapler. The 5 best stapler in present time. We are going to check out 5 best stapler quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Amazon Basic Stapler with 1000 staples. Price, $6.07 and free returns. Stapler holds up to 200 staples and offers a 10-sheet stapling capacity. Number 2, Swingline Stapler, Commercial Desktop Staplers. Price, $15.98 and free returns. Brand Swingline, color black, material metal. Number 3, Electric Stapler, Automatic Stapler. Price, $29.49 and free returns. This stapler automatic version is a great alternative to manual stapler, and the best among electric staplers. Number 4, Bostik Impusle Drive, 30-sheet capacity. Price, $36.99 and free returns. 3x faster stapling speed, brand Bostik, color black, material plastic, metal. Number 5, Eco Electronics X25 Electric Stapler. Price, $57.30 and free returns. Style heavy duty, automatic, replacement, material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, brand Eco Electronics. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.